Hey y'all, Scott with No Budget Homestead, and today I'm going to go ahead and make another chicken waterer. Thought I'd bring you along and show you how I did it, how I'm going to do it and everything. It's going to be a little different than the previous one, so let's get started. Okay, some of you probably remember the blue one that I had made, and it kind of used like a T-post, and it worked pretty well until one of the chickens roosted on it. Well, it kind of busted the seal and cracked the bucket here, and so it wasn't real practical, and it was constantly leaking, and they keep trying to roost on it. So I'm trying something different. Let me get this fly out of here. So we're gonna go ahead and try something different with this bucket, okay? Okay. What I'm gonna do is, instead of coming out the side here like I did in the other one with the PVC pipe and everything, I'm gonna take these poultry nipples and put them in the bottom, okay, and then hang it so that the girls can just peck at it and everything. And I can put like 3-4 gallons in here, and I give them plenty of water for quite a while. So okay, here we have a 5-gallon bucket, and instead of having the PVC pipe come out here in the T shape or something like that, we're just going to go ahead and make holes in the bottom and put the poultry nipples inside there. I don't know if you guys have seen these up close, but you know, chicken pecks at this and water comes out. So they work really, really well, okay? And the girls pick up on it real quick, okay? So I'm gonna hang this from inside the coop so that they can just peck at it and get their water, okay? All right, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 poultry nipples in here, and they're gonna be sticking out like that. Okay, and then as they peck at it, they get their water. Okay, it has a little rubber seal. Let's see here, see if I can get you guys in close enough. That seal right there, that will help seal it in place. And I also have some silicone sealant if I need to. Now some of you are probably wondering, well, how big is that hole? Well, it's 3/8 inch. Okay, that's the drill bit I'm using, and it works perfectly. I've already tested it on the other bucket, and so it works really well. Now, you're probably wondering where you can get these poultry nipples. You can go into Amazon, where I got them. I'd ordered 25 a year ago, and then I couldn't find them. So I went ahead and ordered, I was just going to get 10, but they were only $2.30, I think, for 10, and I had free shipping. So I went ahead and ordered a few more. So I got 30 of these. So it cost me like $6.90 with free shipping. So I got enough of these to choke a horse or a chicken and to last me for quite a while, okay? So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and drill the holes, put these in here, and we're going to eventually put a top on also, but we'll go ahead and get started.
Hey guys!
Okay, here I've marked with an orange Sharpie where I'm going to drill the holes. Okay, I'm not going to go too close to the edge because it's a little harder lip here, and these spots here seem to be fairly flat because sometimes the bottom is a little like this. So we'll go ahead and do this, and you don't want to go too fast with the drill because then the plastic won't make a decent hole, okay? So let's go ahead and try this. Okay, that's kind of what I was trying to avoid. This little plastic piece here. So let's try here now. That one's much better, okay? And we're going to clean up these little bits here when we're done. Okay, I went real slow at this because I didn't want to crack along the hole here. So, all right, what we'll do is we'll get my trusty pocket knife and we'll clean off these little bits here and see about putting the poultry nipples in here. Okay, so let me go ahead and get that started. So now I'm going to try and just cut these little bits off here. Dogs seem to be pretty active this morning, barking and everything about something. Okay, let me get the other ones done and I'll come right back. Alright, now what we're going to do is take this end here and screw it into that hole. So, I am just going, see if I can turn this sideways to help you guys see better. Just going to try and push and twist. And as you can see, it's starting to go in. I'm going to twist it all the way down so it's good and tight. Okay, let's see. Alright. It's going to work. Let's do it 2 more times. Alright, thread it in. Thread it in right there. We're going to push and twist. And they seem to screw in real easily. I'm not going to strip them, I'm just trying to get a good seal between the rubber seal and the bottom of the bucket. Alright, and we got one more. Let's go ahead and get that done. Push and seal.
Hey guys.
Okay, as you can see, we got all 3. And what we're going to do is do a quick test and fill it with water and see what happens. Inside, that's kind of what it looks like. Alright, we'll put water inside and see what happens. Alright, now little man's going to test them nicely and see if they work.
I'm getting water from one of them. This one pours out more water. And this one pours out some water. It doesn't pour out much though.
No, it only needs a little for them to drink. Of course, there's not a lot of pressure in there either. Okay, if we see here, now the amount of water I put in there to test. Alright, if we see here, you know, the amount of water I put in there is not a whole lot, okay? Just enough to cover them so I could test it. Okay, well, it looks like this is a successful test. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take it, and let me show you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it from one of the 2x4s going across there. I do have a lid that will go on top. Okay, and I will drill a small little hole somewhere right around here to allow the air in as they drink the water, so there's not a suction. But small enough to where a lot of big bugs and stuff can't get in there. So, alright, let me go ahead and get some rope or string or paracord or whatever I can find, and we'll go ahead and get that sorted, okay? Alright. Alright guys, there it is in the coop. Hanging. I think you can see probably a red poultry nipple right there. It seems like it's possibly leaking. Not sure why. Maybe due to the pressure of 3 gallons. I put 3 gallons of water in there. Let me show you how I got it roped up. Took some paracord, tied it to here, and we came all the way up and around this and come right back down and tied it to here, and then I took the excess and tied to here so it won't be swinging a lot during the wind. Okay, and it should be a little more stable there. Alright, well, it does look like it's dripping a little bit. It does look like it's dripping a bit. I'll have to check that out and put some sealant in it. But I think I'll leave it now so the girls can kind of get used to it. And we'll see how it goes. I'll check it tonight just to be sure there's still plenty of water for them tomorrow, okay? It's pretty hot out here, so. Alright, let me come right back with some closing thoughts. Well guys, as you can see, it looks like they know what to do with it and everything, and it worked really good. So just gotta have to check the tightness of those poultry nipples, make sure that they're in well. If I need to, I will put either some pipe tape or possibly some silicone sealant around it. But looks like Mama's getting used to using it pretty quickly too. She's the smallest one of the 4, so she's doing a bit of a stretch and everything, but I think she'll be okay. So we'll see how it goes. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the thumbs up and that little bell icon so you get notified. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm ready to go inside and take a shower. So anyways, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. God bless you. And y'all take care now, okay? Bye.